Hi everyone, my name is Alex. In this video, I decided to show you how to add just a simple form with a React form. And I will do it right here, and it will be like live coding or something. And what we will get in the end. So it will be some register form. It's very simple, just 3 fields with name, password, and confirm password. And we will add validations for it. If everything is okay, we will just press the register button and print our data in console. Yeah, here, for example, we can see validations and some check-ins. Like, for example, we check passwords and required fields. And for example, our name couldn't be more than 10 characters and couldn't be less than 3 characters. So let's do it. And firstly, what I need to do is start my project. And right now, I don't have anything in my project. Firstly, I need to install my React application with create React application. I will create my React application with TypeScript. So for this, I need to execute this command, and I will change my application to just dot. Let's do it. It will take some time, so we should wait a little bit. So after that, I will need to install my React form package, and I will need to install it with this command. And before we do it, we can write npm start to start our server. So yeah, our server started, and yeah, we have default React application page. Right now, I need to install my React form. It will take some time too, but not so long. Okay, we installed it. So after that, I will go to app tsx file, and I will add my register form here. So I will remove something that I don't need. And I will add my fields with a React form syntax. So we can scroll down documentation, and I will find something like this, but without pattern, but with some requirements. Okay, now I need to edit my form. So I can import it from React form package, right? Yes, and I need to set some default values. So I will have name, password, and confirm password. And I need to have 3 default values for each field. Something like that. And for my use form, I will add interface to the interface, right, with 3 fields, and everything is just a string. Yeah, something like that. So now for my inputs, I need a register function. So I need to import it from form, right? Right. And it's okay. And I need to change here some parameters. So right now it will be something like here, something like that. And here I need to change some titles. And of course I need button. And I forgot that it's a form, so I should wrap everything in the form tag. And here on submit, I should call handle submit function and pass as an argument on submit function. So handle submit, I can import from my form, right? And on submit, it's my custom function, which will accept data, and it will be iForm state. And here I will just print our form state, everything that we entered in our inputs. So let's take a look what we have right now. And right, we have 3 fields, and yeah, we have some problems with our layout. I can print something here and here, and of course for password, I need to add type password. And for name, type text. Of course, I should change styles a little bit, right? Right, we don't need this. Okay. So font size will be 20 pixels. And link don't need, spin we don't need. So nothing we need for it. And I prepared some styles. So I will just end it here, just in order to not to make video very long. So I added here, right, and here I will add width. Sorry, not here, but for our form, for example. So right, and now it looks much better. And right now, for example, if you press something here and press register button, we have our object from our React form with everything we entered in our inputs. So, and we need to add some validations for our field. How to do it? We need to change this object. This object is for validations. And here, yeah, we need to change required true to some text, like this field is required. For example, max length should be 10, and message for error that name should have not more than 10 characters, or name can have only 10 characters, something like that. And we need to add validation for min length. It will be 3, and the message will be name should be at least 3 characters. Okay, we add our first validation, but right now we don't have errors if we have some errors in our field. So I entered only one character and I press register and I have no errors. But I have them. I have them and I need to print them. And for it, we have error message component in our React form package, and we need to install new package for it. So it will be fast, I think. Right. And now I can import it. Yes. And I can print some errors which I have for field. For example, here, error message, I need to specify a name. Name will be just name. And of course, I need to have errors variable. So it will be here. We can take it from here, from form state, from our use form. So it will be here. We can import form state and we will import errors. And now we can pass it here and print some errors which are related to name field. So let's check it. And yes, if I didn't enter any characters in name, so I have error that this field is required. So I need to wrap this error message with span, with some class name like errors, right? Just to make our errors red or pink, doesn't matter, right? And so we need to copy paste it here and here for our password and confirm password. And of course, we need to change required validation parameters here. So we should copy it here. So something like that. Password. Or here, password. And password here. So for example, for password, we can have 20 characters. A bit more. So we can check it now. We can put something in our field and we will get our message that password shouldn't be at least, that our password should be at least 3 characters. So if you will add so many characters, we will have different error. The same for confirm password. And last thing that we need to do is check that our passwords are equal. Password and confirm password fields should be equal. You can't register with different passwords. For that case, we will add validate function, value string or password string, for example. And here we need to check it. Current password with password in previous field, right? And for that, we need to import watch function to watch our form state data, and we need to watch password, and if it's not equal, so we should return some error. Passwords should be equal. And we should do the same for password field. Here we have just password, right? And we should check confirm password. Should be. I think that's all. Let's check what we have. For example, now I can print some name. I will add password, and I will add wrong confirm password. And I will press register button, and I will get errors. And of course, it's right. And now I need to fix my confirm password. It will be okay. And I will press register button again. And yes, my errors disappeared. And I have console log here. And last thing that I want to do is to change revalidation mode for React form. And it will be very easy. I will do it on change. Yeah, and right now I don't need to press register button to check everything. Validation happens every time I change a field. So for example here, yes, it works. Here it works, and here it works. Yeah, and I get my data. So, and everything works correctly. So that's all. It's very easy to add such simple form with React form. Nothing so special. Just need to read some documentation of React form and try it. Of course, it's very simple form, but okay, it's our first form. I think that I will make second video with React form, and we'll get more interesting cases for React form. And for today, I think that's enough. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, press the like button, leave a comment if you've got something to say, and see you in the next video. Bye.